We can do now, check.
Yeah, okay, you can proceed. Yeah, below. So, slow down.
Slow turn on. Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Okay.
Already check, huh?
Yeah, already.
Thank you.
Yes, maybe you already know what we are talking about in this video.
Let's start with the diagram of the maneuvering systems.
For ME engines, it looks like more symbols in comparison with the MC engines. So we can see this slow turns functioning first. We have to make the engine standby conditions. Turning gears disengage. Bone valve 207 open. Air tank valve open. Shut-off valve 116 open. Indicator cocks open. And drain valves closed. On the left hand, symbol is the reducing circuit for the control air system. So we start from the safety air tank. 7 kg compressed air will be standby at the pneumatic valves and solenoid valves. 26 for starting valve, 35 for main starting valve, and 37 for slow turn. When turning gear disengage, the 115 will be open and sending the air standby to the 36 solenoid valve. When the 207 bore valve opens, it's sending the air to the standby at the 37 pneumatic valve. So the functions of 36 is to open the 37, and the 37 will send the driving air to open the slow turn valve. When the main band at air reservoir open, the high pressure air from 20 kg to 30 kg will be standby at the slow turn valve. The condition are setting at the engine side, and after this, from the MOP, we press the standby button, so the hydraulic system also ready. Once you select the slow turn and bring the telegraph to the start positions, the system will start slow turning. Electrical control valve 36 will be activated, sending air to open pneumatic valve 37. 37 open, sending driving air to open the slow turn valve. Starting air will follow the big pipe and stand by at the starting valve. A small branch of pipe will send the same burst air to stand by at the electric control valve 26. The individual 26 valve at the X cylinders will be opened as per firing orders. Starting valve at X cylinder will be opened and the starting air will be induced to X cylinders. By this way, the crankshaft will be turning. Okay guys, now we will see how the system working at starting condition. Same with the slow turning. At first, we have to make the system standby. All same except the indicator cogs to be closed. At the MOP, select the auto buttons, then bring the telegraph to starting position. One of two electrical control valve 30 or 34 will be activated and sending air to open the 35. There is a question that why we have two valves 30 and 34 here. You can find the answer at the end of this video. After pneumatic valve 35 is open, sending the driving air to open the main starting valve. After main starting valve open, starting air will be supplied to the X cylinders as firing orders. At auto mode, fuels will be injected into the cylinders and the engine will be started at the starting RPM. Difference from the slow turn and air runs, a slow turn and air runs, fuel will not be injected into the cylinders. Okay guys, now we will see how the air runs operation takes place. The air runs function is similar to slow turns except that the main starting valve is open and the engine is running faster and still without fuel injections. The air runs buttons function is only available in chip operator levels. Meanwhile, if you want to use this function, you have to enter the password and change the MOP to chip mode. The function is used for checking the tacho system, starting air valve test, and after maintenance, checking the functions and movement. The functions of air runs is similar to the slow turn, but is faster. However, the operation principle is similar to the starting sequence, with the indicator cogs open and fuels not supplied. So the engine will not be started. It's only turning and stop when you pull the starting handle back to stop position. If we compare with the MC engine, we can see that this MC engine system is much more complicated. Of course, the above mentioned van numbers may be different from vessel to vessel, but the working principles is almost the same. Alright, now we will see the X components at the engine side and we will review the operation of the systems. Here we can see the pressure regulators, which will reduce the compressed air from 20 or 30 kg down to 6 or 7 kg air pressures. From here, there's a collecting pipe to air pressure base for physical indication of the air pressures, and going to air pressures sensor, pressure transmitters for remote indication and for the alarm function. From here, the pipeline going down to the safety air tank. Okay, you can see now this safety air tank collecting to the control air valves at the upper floorings. This pipe is for draining the air from the tank. This way, the air will be divided by two small pipes. One is going to turning gears 115 for control air. One is going to 26 and 207 for driving air. Going down to turning gear NIMI switch, this is interlock for safety reasons. Make sure that when the turning gears engage, the system will not be started. Now you can see this position, the turning gear is disengaged and the pneumatic valve now is open position. So the control air going down, passing the pneumatic valve and then going up, collecting to the main starting valve. Okay, now we go to main starting valve. Let's see where it will be collected. Okay, so the upper pipe, little bigger, is deriving air, and the small pipe down below is control air from the turning gear interlock bands, collecting gears. Okay, this is 207 bore valve supplying the driving air to open slow turn valve and main starting air valve. So the air will stand by at the pneumatic valve 35, and after this one opening, the air will be sending to main starting air valve to open it. This way is for slow turn. It stand by at the 37. Once the pneumatic valve 37 opened, it will supply air to this small valve, a slow turn valve. To open the 35 and 37 pneumatic valve, we have this control air controlled by electric control pneumatic valve. So for the main starting air, we have 30 and 34. One of this one working, the air will be sending to open the pneumatic valve 35. Another branch of pipe collecting to the pneumatic valve 36. This is electrical control valves. One is open, sending air to open pneumatic air 37 for slow turn operations. This start of valve 116 and position limit switch. This will isolate the air going to starting air valve. So when standby, we have to open this one, and when finish engine, we have to close this valve. Besides the above main components, we have the various pressure switch, pressure transmitters, and ME switch. This is the nemesis showing the service position, and this showing the block position. When finish engine, we will close this one and block the system. Okay, back to the question before. Why we have to control valve 30 and 34 for main starting air valve? So the 30 is controlled from the ECUA, and the 34 is controlled from ECUB. Make sure that if you have trouble with one of the control unit, you still can start the engine by using another unit. In case you have trouble with electrical systems, there is the pushing button allow you to open the van manually. But if you have trouble with the pneumatic system or mechanical issue, you have to open this one by using the spanners. So at first, a little bit turn the handle down and remove the pin. Then turn the handle anti-clockwise to lift up the locking plate. Remove the locking plate. Direct open this van spindle. This one for slow turn valve, other ones big one for main starting air valve. However, before doing that, you have to disconnect the air pipe to drain the air out from the van body. This for slow turn valve, and this pipe from main starting air valve. Otherwise, it's very hard and you cannot turn it. Okay guys, sharing one trouble happening with our sister vessels. The slow turn valve could not be opened, and of course no air is running to the main engine. So they found this solenoid valve, pneumatic valve, malfunctioning due to the broken of the balances. So in such a case, you have to open the vans manually. Okay guys, before closing this video, let's see how the air running in the pilot. This main pilot for starting air. This will send the starting air to standby as the starting valve for all cylinder unit. This small pipe, but the air is same pressure with starting air. This air will open the individual starting air valves at cylinder covers. And this is electrical control valve. This will be open, will be controlled and open as per firing orders. Then, consequently, the starting air vents at each cylinder will be open. Then, the main starting air will be introduced to the cylinders. Okay guys, Thank you for watching my video today. Hopefully you can find some interesting thing in my videos. Please subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you very much and see you in next videos.